Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make blueberry, banana, and peanut butter dog treats. For that we'll need a cup and a half of whole wheat flour, a half a cup of flaxseed, half a cup of blueberries, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and quarter cup of hot water. And we start by smashing blueberries and bananas, like so. First we add all the wet ingredients in the mixing bowl. I use stand mixer to mix my dough. You can use a blender or a mixer, probably a mixer. Okay, so here I add blueberries, banana, peanut butter, and water. And you don't want to waste any of that sweet peanut butter. Actually, I'll use unsweetened kind. It's healthier for doggies. Alright, now give it a really good mix. And it's time to add our dry ingredients. There goes whole wheat flour and flaxseed. Okay, as it all is mixing together, it is time to preheat our oven to 280 degrees. Alright, while that's preheating, it's time to roll our dough. Alright, yep, we're gonna get our fingers dirty. So as you can see, it's kind of a sticky consistency, so it lets you roll little balls, or if you want to make the dough drier, you can, so then you can use cookie cutters to cut your different shapes. It's time to pop these bad boys in the oven and bake them for 20 minutes. This is what we get after 20 minutes. And a taste test. Ooh, yum yum. As you can see, they'll love it. Bianca is the white dog and Mocha is the black one. Yep, she just stole it. Ay ay ay. Can we have more, please? To make it even more exciting, I just spread a little bit of Greek yogurt and a blueberry on top, and oh yeah, that is tasty. Yum yum.